everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. I hope you're having a great day today. I've got a fun fold card to share with you today, so let's get down to it. This is using the Celebration stamp set called Beautiful Peacock, and it is beautiful. I've seen some wonderful, wonderful cards made with this. And Celebration is coming to an end, you guys, on March 31st. So if you've got things that are on your wish list, make sure you get those orders in. I've got a new hostess code. Use that. You'll get the Mother's Day gift for free. And you can choose that if you'd like it as your free gift. So this fun card says Sunshine on the front of it. And you open it like this. And it says, "Today is all about you." Isn't that so fun? So let me show you how we're going to put this together. It's quick and easy. We're going to be starting off with a piece of Whisper White cardstock that's going to measure 4 1/4 by 11. So you can actually get 2 of these out of 1 sheet of cardstock. We're going to score this at 1 inch. Make sure you've got your scoring blade. I put an S on mine, and I keep it up at the top here. And then we're going to also score it at 6 1/2. Let me open this up. Now, if you have trouble, where is 6 1/2? It's right in this little fold here. If you look closely, there's a wee bitty line. So just go to the part of that wing that pulls out there. And we're going to score that at 6 1/2. So 1 inch score mark and also 6 1/2. Sorry for the slamming. All right, so let's fold this piece up. This piece is going to fold down like so. All right, I've gone ahead and I've done some cutting to save some time. Now my layering pieces here, my designer series pieces, these come from the Picture Perfect birthday pack. Darling stuff. This is in the Occasions catalog. I'm actually using one of the pieces that has the numbers on it. I'm using the stripe side. So let's go ahead and adhere these pieces. Quick and easy. And this piece is going to go on the top flap, like so. Just line it up there, nice and easy. And then this piece is going to go at the bottom. Super easy to line up, but it just is so cute. Okay. Then for our green piece here, this piece, that piece is going to measure 4 3/4 by 3 3/4. Now I used my circle framelits to cut the circle center piece out here. I've done some work here ahead of time to try to save some time. And then for my sentiment on the front here that says Sunshine, I use Sunshine Wishes, and this is a darling stamp set and even cuter dies that go with it. But in the Celebration catalog, you can get the Amazing and the Celebrate dies. Those would be awesome too. So again, take advantage of Celebration. So I've run these through the Big Shot. And I want to give you the dimensions here on my circle. So this would be our 2-inch circle that I used. And I'm going to slide this right back in here. I put mine on these magnetic sheets that I just get at, the office supply store. But honestly, they don't really stay. But I keep mine in here, the envelopes that they come in. So that's always helpful. And then keep this piece because you can use that on another project. So let's set that over there. And then here is my sunshine. Cute, cute, cute. Who doesn't like sunshine? Not me. Although, I don't mind a rainy day here and there. Those are good too. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to adhere this piece right here. And I am going to put my glue, I hope I'm in camera here, you guys. Sorry if I wasn't. I'm going to put my glue right there because I want this piece to be centered here. Okay, so it's just going to go like that. I don't want the circle up here for the striped to show through. We can go ahead and we can adhere this cute little saying. I love the Sunshine Sayings. It is such a cute set. I'm going to do some more with this too. I don't break it out nearly enough. But I would also recommend in the Celebration catalog, the one that says Celebrate. Those are dies that you can get for free with a $100 order, and those would be cute. Super cute too. All right, let's bring in our ink pads. I'm using Pool Party, and we're going to be stamping our bird. I don't know if that's going to show up for you, but that's where we're going to start here. And I'm going to just stamp through this whole circle, if you will. And I hope I don't get my head in the camera. I apologize if I do. But I am just going to put him right in the circle. Right in the circle. Like that. And then while I have this out, I'm going to come back to that though, because I want to do some more stamping. But while I have this out, I'm going to do my little, I don't know if these are peacock feathers or they are like leaves, but they're pretty. They're super duper pretty. And I'm just going to put a couple of those on the inside to give it a little something something. All right. I'm going to come back to this, so I'm going to leave that open. I'm going to use Peekaboo Peach, and I am going to stamp this beautiful peacock's feathers in the background. And again, I apologize if I get my head in this shot. I don't mean to. These colors are so fresh. They're so springy. I'm ready for it. I'm ready. Bring it on. All right. And as I mentioned, I am going to bring back my soft blue. Is that what I'm using here? Yeah. Pool Party. Sorry. And I'm going to be using this squiggle again. I've got a scratch piece of paper here because I don't want to stamp on the inked, or I don't want to get my ink on my paper. But I want to stamp some of these beautiful looking feathers. They're just gorgeous. So I'm using that piece to protect the designer series paper. That way it doesn't get on that portion. I've got Peekaboo Peach again, and one of the little dots, it looks like a little flower bud, kind of a sparkling, I don't know, it's just cuteness. And I am going to add some of this on the inside. I've got to wipe my block off though a little bit. I get ink on it sometimes because I just push too hard. But oh, this is such a pretty set. I hope it comes back in the annual catalog. All right, and then my sentiment is going to read, today is all about you. And I bet I can cover up that little schmug with one of the words. Yay! And I'm going to add one more of these cute little cuties just to highlight the word you, because it's all about you. I love this card, you guys. I think it is so cute and so fun and just festive. So that's it. That's how you do this really fun and simple fun fold card. Again, there's some great dies that you could use to you know, change up the word, use celebrate. But yeah, that's how you do these cards, you guys. Super fun, isn't it? I love it, and I love the fresh colors. So yeah, that's how you do it. I hope this video gives you some ideas and some inspiration. And make sure you visit my blog, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe. And yeah, I'll be back next week with another video. So as always, great big hugs from me to you. Please don't forget, celebration's coming to an end. Also, one thing I wanted to note, the Stampin' blends are not available to be ordered. They are back ordered, and they actually have stopped even taking back orders. So the Stampin' blends are not available to be ordered, but make sure you get in on the Stampin' Up! Celebration that's left. There's some great stuff there. So I hope this gives you some ideas. Have a great rest of your day, you guys. Thanks for visiting with me. Bye-bye.